Cooking up a snack in my Eggo Star panini maker. Went with some bread and a couple of different kinds of cheeses toasted on there, as you can see, looking good. We're going to try this for the first time, Melinda's sweet and spicy Polynesian Hawaiian barbecue sauce. I'm not the biggest fan of sweet, but I am a fan of the spicy part. This is a red sauce. It squirts out really consistently. It's definitely a sauce, not real chunky. We'll try this out. Certainly is sweet. Very sweet. Now we're going to try out the ghost pepper ketchup. Got this in a sample. This one squirts out just like ketchup. I would say the Polynesian sauce has some heat, but not much. The ghost pepper ketchup, there's a kick there. Very good. Very sweet like a ketchup, but there is a lingering ghost pepper heat to it. Both of these, very good. This one's a lot more sweet, very pineapple-y. Hope this helps.